Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Squarespace products to Instagram. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in a little bit better. So guys, first thing that you must do is set up your Instagram shop and ensure that you have Instagram business account with the shopping enabled. And now, once you have set it up, just simply go to your Squarespace, guys. And after that, just simply go to Squarespace and log in into your account and just simply go to your website. And once you are on your website, just simply go to your products or a service. And now once you are on your shop, just simply click on the selling tools on the left side of the screen. And after that, guys, you should be able to select products on Facebook and Instagram. You just have to click connect your Facebook and Instagram account. And after that, just simply log in into your account when a prompt is shown on the screen. And from there, guys, just make sure to choose the Instagram shopping as the primary integration and just simply complete the step by following the instruction on the screen and provide the necessary information needed. Once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings on a Squarespace, and after that just simply go to the third party tools and just simply go to connected accounts, and after that just simply connect account and add your Instagram account there. Once you have done all of that, once everything is connected, your Squarespace product will sync with Instagram, and the shoppers on Instagram will see your products and they will be redirected to your Squarespace store for purchases. And there you go. See ya.